Whenever you feel the sweet caress of the morning breeze, deep in your heart the sound of love is beating free. When the sun is shining, the busy time for everyone to make the day of those you meet. Greet them all with a friendly smile. Whenever you feel the sweet caress of the evening breeze, deep in your soul the sound of love is tuning free. When the moon is shining, to all of those you wish to say goodnight, you fill their heart with gentleness and ring the sound of love. Always be a friendly one to people in need and truth. The life we live now should be love, give and care for their needy. Always be sincere and real, say sorry for the wrongful do's. The life we live now should be peace, laugh and joy for all. Anything that's wrong can be just swept away. Welcome to the right, let things be clean and clear. What the world needs now is love, not just for some but for everyone. The way mankind should be, then under God we'll joyfully drum up the sound of love. Always be a friendly one to people in need and truth. The life we live now should be love, give and care for their needy. Always be sincere and real, say sorry for the wrongful do's. The life we live now should be peace, laugh and joy for all. What the world needs now is love, peace and joy. Not just for some, but for everyone. Just make people smile, don't make them cry. Lift someone up when he or she is down. Let's fill the heart of everyone with love and joy. Fill his or her day with happiness, with things bright and new. Let the old hatreds pass for the common humanity to reveal itself and to reign in its glory. Let's carry forth the superpower of love and deliver it safely to future generations. Let the grace of God fill our life and crown the world with brotherhood. And then, under God, we'll joyfully drum up the sound of love.